Hi everyone, welcome to Top 7 YouTube channel. Today we are going to take about top 7 most corrupt politicians in the world. Don't forget subscribe and click the bell button. Let's start. Number 1. Nawaz Sharif. Nawaz Sharif, the ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan, was ranked as the world's most corrupt politician. Nawaz Sharif is the 3-time elected Prime Minister of Pakistan and also the wealthiest person in Pakistan. His net worth is approximately 150 billion rupees. His family has many real estate properties, steel plants, factories, and rice and flour mills throughout the country as well as overseas. He was recently disqualified by the Supreme Court of Pakistan for worst corruption charges. He was the one responsible for the Panama Papers leak. He was also declared to be the most corrupt politician in Pakistani history. Panama Papers reveals that Nawaz Sharif and his relatives committed high levels of corruption, with $418 million. From 1985, when he was appointed Chief Minister of Punjab, to his current position, he has been stealing Pakistani assets. With this corruption money, he and his family amassed assets worth around $30 billion. Many well-established businesses are owned by the family. Number 2. Vladimir Putin. Putin is the second most corrupt politician worldwide in 2018. Interesting. The most powerful man is also known as the most corrupt. He is currently the President of Russia and was elected 3 times as Prime Minister of Russia. He has had high approval ratings in Russia and has been viewed as one of the most powerful leaders throughout his career. Number 3. Salman bin Abdulaziz. Salman bin Abdulaziz, a politician and royal statesman from Saudi Arabia, was named the 3rd most corrupt politician in all of history. He was king of Saudi Arabia, prime minister and custodian of 2 holy mosques, and head of the House of Saud. Number 4. Asif Ali Zardari. He is known as an intelligent, clever, and highly corrupt politician in the history of Pakistan. After the Panama Papers were released, he was at the top of the corruption ranking. However, Nawaz Sharif took his place. He is also one of the most wealthy people in Pakistan. Zardari is accused of many crimes, including corruption and misuse of power. He was also charged with the murder of Benazir Bhutto. Number 5. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is number 5 on the list of most corrupt politicians. He is the 4th most dishonest Prime Minister after Putin, Nawaz Sharif, and King Salman. The causes of corruption in India include excessive regulations, complicated tax and licensing systems, numerous government departments with opaque bureaucracy and discretionary powers. Number 6. Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Khalifa bin Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, President of the United Arab Emirates, is 5 of the most corrupt politicians in the world. According to Panama Papers, he made approximately $150 billion from the misappropriation of the treasury. Number 7. Rajapaksa family, Sri Lanka. Rajapaksa was accused of stealing and donating public money for the victims of the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. However, the people have not received anything from the World Grant for the Betterment of the People. Mahinda Rajapaksa has maintained close relations especially with Uganda during his 2nd term as president from 2010 to 2015. Many unnecessary development projects were carried out for Sri Lanka by taking loans that Sri Lanka could not afford. They also got huge commission income from them. All members of Rajapaksa's family have been accused of massive corruption.